Now to something we can ride. Lift number 1. Schindler. 2600 I think these are.
Please stand clear of the doors. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors open.
Go down.
Doors open. Please stand clear of the doors. Please stand clear of the doors.
Should have given me those brackets out and I'll put them in my handbag so she don't mind them.
Doors open.
Down, top, up.
Doors open. South on.
2,400 kilograms, 35 persons. Equipment number 30483291. All of the elevators here are maintained by Kone. As you can see, only one indicator. Yes, great.
Please stand clear of the doors. Doors open. Doors open. Power.
Let's put into nudge mode.
Please stand clear of the doors.
So when it goes into nudge mode, it will simply display out of service. That's it. That's literally it. A lot of DB Schindlers do that as well, but this is a bit different. I'm not entirely sure what controller these are using. I think it might be ECD, but might also just be a Nikon S or something like that. I really don't know. Their voice is ECD, by the way. That's some very rare announcements. Knowing that door's opening, and please stand clear of the door's voice. Should be going anytime now. Hope no one's waiting for the lift. That would be a very rude shot if they are. There you are. And it will remain that way until the doors close. So as you see, just place that. Now it just behaves normally.
Please stand clear of the doors. Doors open. Ground floor. Please stand clear
Buttons,
of the
door
doors.
controls and phone.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Like I said, I'm not entirely sure what model these are, but I think it's 2600.
Doors open. Doors open. Car park. Going up.
Shot view. Very awkward.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Overload lamp.
Please
Pretty standard
stand
option
clear
of
of the
the 400
doors.
FEs in this. Yeah, this model is usually used in service lifts. And this one is a customer lift, so it has a very nice cab, which is very unusual for this model. Keep hands clear of opening door.
Doors open.
There's lift 3 and smaller. Lift 3 and Smartland. I'm not entirely sure what the motor room is on this. Couldn't find it in my basement. Oh, there it goes. That's it.